Have you ever had a bad day at work? Maybe you spilled your coffee or got stuck in traffic? Well, trust me, your day is nothing compared to these CEOs who thought they could talk their way out of trouble with the police. In today's video, we'll look at some entitled big shots who really tested the patience of law enforcement, only to learn that being a CEO doesn't get you special treatment. Let's dive into the first case, and believe me, it's a wild one. Carol J. Nicotera, the highly rated salon owner of Balance Salon in Dunwoody, found herself in quite the situation on June 25, 2022. Police responded to a domestic dispute outside a hotel, but when they arrived, they were surprised to find a woman standing barefoot. When asked about her well-being, she claimed to be fine and said she was just waiting for her Uber driver, insisting she knew nothing about any domestic violence call. While one officer went to find the other party involved, another received confirmation from a witness that Carol had been involved in the altercation. With that information, the officer asked her again what was going on, but she continued to deny anything had happened, saying no one had touched her. She became defensive, expressing disbelief that anyone would think she'd tolerate such a situation. She even began talking about how she supports Dunwoody and owns a business there, as though that had anything to do with the issue at hand. Honestly, for a business owner, she wasn't making much sense.
You're what?
I'm good.
Did you call 911?
No.
Okay, because someone called saying that you were getting beat up.
Who? Who would
I
do
don't
that?
know. Were you with someone?
I'm from New York. I don't get beat up.
Hey, I believe you, but were you just with someone?
No.
No?
No.
Keep driving around. She's advising this isn't her.
Ew. That's disgusting.
What? What?
Really? I'm just waiting for Uber to get home.
Right, well, when I'm told that someone was beating up a white female in a white dress, and you don't have any shoes on...
Do you really think I would put up with that?
I don't know you, but I'm here to verify with you.
Ew. No. Okay. No one's touched me. I appreciate it. I support Dunwoody. I have a business over here.
That's affirmative.
Ew. I would never get touched from anyone.
Okay, that's fine.
The officers pressed on, certain something was amiss, but Carol stuck to her story that she was just trying to sober up while waiting for her Uber. She once again brought up her role in supporting Dunwoody as if that somehow made her above the situation. As the minutes passed, Carol's attitude became more entitled and arrogant, clearly testing the officers' patience. Eventually, they informed her that she was publicly intoxicated and had been causing a scene by cussing at people walking by. When Carol refused to comply, the officers had no choice but to handcuff her, which only made her angrier. Out of options, she decided to play the donation card, mentioning that she donates to the Dunwoody Police Department.
Oh my God.
0128.
I'm not driving. I'm going to my hotel room. I'm not driving.
Okay, well, listen to me. You're
What?
intoxicated.
Yeah, I'm going
One
to my
more,
hotel.
I'm going to go ahead and take you
I'm
to
not
jail. Do you understand
driving.
me? It does not matter.
For
You are
what?
out in the public area, you're intoxicated, and you're cussing at people walking down the road. That had nothing to do with you.
You guys are ridiculous.
Go ahead and lock her up for me. Go ahead.
What?
You're under arrest right now.
For what?
For disorderly and indifference.
Angelo!
We'll stop.
What am I doing?
Relax your arms.
Relax.
Before you catch another
Guys,
charge.
come on.
Relax.
I'm trying to wait for Uber.
I don't care. Relax your
I'm
arms.
waiting for
Relax
Uber.
your arms.
What are you doing, Angelo?
He didn't do nothing. I am.
I'm just waiting for Uber to go back to Brookhaven. My daughter just turned 17. I got a hotel room. Oh my God. What? Seriously, guys, I donate to your Dunwoody Police
female in custody.
Department. I'm salon over at Park Place with the lawns. And
Okay.
really? I
Yes,
donate
really.
to you. Big time. Yes.
So the thing is that when you're cussing at people that walk by that have nothing to do with you,
I'm not doing anything. I
you
was
sit
just
here and
waiting
cuss at
here.
this guy walking by you. It's got nothing to do with you.
Who is he?
The person you just cussed at.
Oh, we can't talk anymore?
We can't cuss
Is that
at people.
what's come down to? We can't talk to
And then
people.
put it in your truck.
I'm
done
not
talking to you.
going
Yes,
to jail.
you are.
I've done
You are going
nothing
to jail.
wrong.
You're under arrest. How about that?
Under what?
For disorderly under the influence, and if you keep pulling away
I
from
am
officer,
not.
Wait, one more time, you're getting
I'm
instruction
trying
cards.
to get
Walk.
an Uber home.
if you pull away from
Are
an
you
officer
guys
one more
seriously
time,
doing this?
I will have another charge on you. And yes, I'm dead serious.
Why? I'm just trying to go home.
Well, tonight you're going to jail, unfortunately. Have a seat in the car.
There's no charges under anything.
Get in the car, man.
I'm not going to argue with you about it. Have a seat in
Guys,
the truck.
seriously,
Seriously,
I've got a company.
get in
I
the
donate
car.
to Dunwoody.
Get in the back of the Tahoe before
What
you
are
get
you
another
guys
charge.
doing? Oh my God.
While Carol was being arrested, other officers were questioning her boyfriend. The police informed him about the domestic violence call as well, but he seemed confused as to why Carol was being taken in. He insisted that nothing had happened and that she had done nothing wrong.
Okay, so we got a call that two individuals, I can go through all descriptions, you know over there, were in some kind of altercation.
Who called 911?
Oh, I don't know.
Then I have no comment.
Okay. Who is she to you?
My girlfriend. My girlfriend.
Okay.
And I have a reservation here for a room, which. Okay. And what's going on?
That someone said that you were in an altercation with her.
I did not do anything. Oh, see? So someone else called something. So who called what?
Right. Someone called us, and she was standing there as the only person matching the description who was in an altercation with now you, because she's naming you, and the front desk clerk saw you two together earlier.
She's. Hey, Carol? Carol, I did nothing.
Let's go
Do you have
over here and talk.
an ID on you, sir?
Oh, sure. I have an idea on
Okay.
it. I do feel that. I did nothing, Carol.
Carol's boyfriend then started asking the police why she was being arrested. He was furious to see his girlfriend in handcuffs and kept trying to talk to the cops to understand the situation better. He repeatedly kept telling the cops that nothing had happened between them.
Is she being apprehended?
Well, I talked to her, and she was...
Why is she being apprehended?
Detained,
Stop.
sir.
Why?
Because, well, I have not gone over there to talk to my supervisor.
She did nothing
Okay,
wrong.
can I please see your ID? And we will talk with you.
Okay. She did nothing wrong. Jesus Christ, what is going on here? Here's my ID.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, we will find out what's going on with her, because I am not a part of the conversation that...
She has done nothing wrong. She's done nothing against me. I
Okay.
did not call anything. I don't know what's going on here.
Okay.
That is wrong.
Well, I don't know what she told them.
Okay.
So I don't know if she's refusing to identify herself, or she's giving false information.
She's probably combative, but
Is she drunk? Has she been drinking tonight?
we both have.
Okay.
But I don't think that merits anything for her being. Please.
Well, once we get her in a spot,
Oh my God.
our supervisor will come over here and talk to you, because that's who was talking to her, was our sergeant.
She
Okay.
does not deserve to be hogtied. We have a hotel room. She can come into here.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, really? But I do object for what I saw over there. What I saw was her being hogtied, and I don't believe that she deserved that.
Okay.
I did not call anything. I don't understand this. What I believe is something is being. Okay.
Okay, so you're saying that you didn't call.
I didn't do anything. We have no fight. We are a conversation. We are a relationship. I don't know who did what, but what I saw her being hogtied right there is unacceptable.
But according to the person who made the call, the man had pinned Carol against the wall while cussing and yelling at her. Based on this information, the man was also placed under arrest.
Yeah, man.
What he was saying, he just wanted to remain
So you're
anonymous, but
asking
he
what's
was
going on. I'm trying to
like
help you
this,
understand why we're out
and he
here.
was out there yelling and cussing at her. So it was loud enough to where it drew the attention of another person. So
You under arrest.
I'm under arrest.
Yeah, go stop. Go ahead and stand up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Split your hands.
Let me ask why I'm under arrest.
For disorderly under the influence and disorderly conduct.
Okay.
So I got a third party that sit there and witness between you and her. Over on the corner, and you had her all pinned up against the wall, and your other costume and everything.
Okay. Wow.
A few minutes later, Carol was transported to jail, but she didn't stay quiet during the ride. She continued to insist that the police were making a huge mistake, boasting about her lawyers and all the influential people she knew. She kept going on about how connected she was. In the end, both Carol and her boyfriend were taken into custody.
But you all want to listen to the homeless guy there. Really? This is weird. You guys are ridiculous. I've done nothing wrong. Just waiting for Uber to go home. If y'all want to listen to the homeless guy of his bullshit. Oh my God, I'm gonna call a few people once I get a phone call ability to Dunwoody. Absolutely. This is ridiculous. People talk. He parked the car. We came in. I decided to go back to my house because we have a 17th birthday with my aunts and uncles at my house. We are staying here. Why not listen to the story instead of assuming? Oh, God, you guys are making a big mistake. Big mistake. I sued my lawyer and I debarred him. I have lawyers. I have lots of people around me. My salon, my business has been vandalized through homeless people. You guys are going to listen to these people? You are done. I'm going to blast this. I'm going to put this in the AJC. I'm going to put this report in the AJC because I'm connected. And this is ridiculous. In Dunwoody? Absolutely. Who called this? The hotel? The homeless guy? And you just took two people who pay day and night and day, and work their off. You just took two people away. Jesus Christ, no one hit me. Sometimes it just doesn't get along. Sometimes you just don't get along. There's cameras right there to the right. Right there. Look up, officer. Right there to the right. Do it. And I will challenge you, and I will sue the out of you guys.
But if you thought this was crazy, wait until you see the man who yelled and threatened the cops because he was the CEO. On September 14, 2023, a deputy pulled over a car after noticing several traffic violations. Right from the moment she approached the driver, things went south. The man behind the wheel was rude and belligerent, throwing insults her way. He kept accusing her of being a bully and said he couldn't stand women who acted like bullies. Almost immediately, he tried to intimidate her by claiming she was messing with the wrong guy.
Hello, Deputy Hines with the Sheriff's Office. Can I get your license, registration, and insurance, please? Put the drink down. I need your license. Put the drink...
Ma'am.
Excuse you. I need your license, your registration, and insurance.
But don't be a bully. You're a bully. And I don't like woman bullies. Period.
Where are you headed today, sir?
I'm going to my doctor client. Ma'am, and guess what? You're messing with the wrong person.
Okay, sounds good.
Goodbye.
I need your registration and your insurance, please, sir.
My insurance is on my phone.
Okay, I need your registration.
I'll take my sweet time. Sweetheart.
It's fine.
You bully me, you're done.
So you don't know why you don't know why I stopped you?
What?
You don't know why?
What?
I'm asking you.
I have no idea why
Okay.
it's that.
Because you're passing in a no passing, sir.
No,
Twice
I
you did.
middle lane.
No, sir. No, sir, it's not.
apologize.
It's a breakdown
Delray
lane,
Beach.
yellow.
In Delray Beach, you're
No,
allowed to pass.
not in Florida.
Delray Beach.
Is in Florida, sir.
Yeah.
You are not allowed to pass
I
on a
do.
double solid yellow line or a double solid breakdown line, sir.
apologize.
You did it twice. I gave you the pass on the first one, and then you did it again.
I have no points.
Doesn't matter, sir. I need your
Are you gonna
registration,
give me a
please, sir.
warning?
As the deputy calmly asked for his registration, he just got louder, practically shouting at her like he had lost it. The whole time, he kept repeating that he was a CEO, and because of that, he felt he should get special treatment. To top it off, he bragged about having the best attorneys in the world, as if that would somehow change the situation.
I need your registration, please, sir.
Miss Hines.
Registration, sir. I am behaving,
Do not
sir.
bully me.
Do not
Do
raise
not
your voice
bully
at
me.
me, sir.
Do not bully
I've
me.
asked you
You're bullying me.
several
You're
times
bullying me.
for your registration, sir, and your insurance.
Okay. You're bullying me.
Okay.
I don't like you. I really don't like you. Because you're not a good officer.
Okay.
I'll speak to your superior.
That's fine.
I got them in my wallet.
So when the little yellow sticker comes on, sir,
Man, just don't tell me what to do.
trying to help you find
No,
paperwork, sir.
I have everything here. I'm a CEO. I'm retired. I work part-time. It's hot. It's frustrating when people do 30 or 20 miles an hour. I'm sorry, man. When they are going on a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit, doing 20 miles an hour, you can't... Here you go, man.
Okay, so you're handing me your
That's
cell
my
phone.
insurance.
Okay.
And now you want my registration.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
Turning lane. Southbound.
Put your cell phone back, sir. I don't want to
Don't
hold
just
on
drop
to
it. Hand it to me.
You were
You
looking
just
for paperwork.
Did that?
No,
I saw
sir,
you.
I did not. It's on camera. I did not, sir. I placed it down on
Well,
your
why don't
ad.
you just give it to me? Like a
Because you're
woman
looking for
should.
information.
Like a woman
So,
should give the phone to
Can I get your
a man.
registration, please, sir?
You know what? You're dealing with the wrong man.
Okay,
I'm a
sir.
CEO.
Okay.
I'm intelligent. I have the best attorneys in the world.
All right,
and
sir.
you're messing with the
Okay,
wrong
sir.
human being.
Okay.
Give me a. That's what you want to do.
After the deputy went back to her patrol car to check the man's information, he decided to take off. He was later found at a convenience store. The moment the officer caught up with him, she wasted no time and placed him under arrest. That's when the excuses started rolling in. He complained that he only left because he was sick and needed to get to the hospital. But come on, Mr. CEO, you don't look sick with that drink in your hand. He even went as far as threatening to sue her.
The reason why I moved.
Nope.
I just moved because I'm sick. I want to go to the hospital.
Don't resist
I want to go to the hospital.
your hand behind your back
wanna
right
go
now.
to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Ma'am, I
Turn
want
around and put your hand behind your back.
I'm sick.
Now.
Ma'am, I'm sick. I'm
Grab
sick.
me one more
I'm
time.
sick. I'm sick.
Get
I'm
on
sick.
the ground.
Ma'am,
Put
I'm
your
sick.
hands behind your
I'll
back.
put it behind my
now.
back. I'm sick. Oh my God, you're going to be in trouble. I'm going to sue you for
Alpha 10.
everything you got. I will sue
Alpha
you
10.
for everything you got.
Show me 1015.
All I did is pull over here so I can get some medicine. I need medicine, man. Oh man, you're in
10,
trouble.
15.
You're in trouble. I need medicine. Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
You're gonna stop.
I need medicine.
As the cop searched his pockets, he once again reminded her that he was a CEO and warned her that if she took any money from his wallet, she'd be done for. The audacity of this guy, trying to threaten the police. When none of his tactics worked, he resorted to shouting at the top of his lungs, demanding to see a sheriff. Honestly, this deputy deserves credit for her patience in dealing with such a rude and entitled man.
Ma'am, I'm a CEO. Oh my God, she's checking my pockets. You take any money out of my wallet, you're done. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. I'm sick. Wait till you find out how sick I am. Here, ma'am. Here,
Stop moving. You're gonna end up on the ground. Do you understand me?
Help! 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 Can I have a sheriff, please? Another sheriff, please. I want another sheriff, please. No, please! The sheriff! Oh my God! Oh my God! She's killing me! Hold on. I want another sheriff here.
Have a
All I
seat.
want is another sheriff.
Have a seat.
I'm hurting!
Have a
Ma'am,
seat.
you're killing me!
Sit down.
I'm sitting.
Put your feet in now.
I can't.
Put
Ma'am.
your feet in
Ma'am,
now.
I want to see another sheriff. That's all I want to see. I just
Put
want to see another sheriff.
your
I have my right.
feet in.
I will put it in, but I want to see another
Now.
sheriff. Can't you answer me?
Now.
Can you answer me? Can I have another sheriff?
Is this another resisting charge,
No.
sir? Then get your butt in the car now.
You're hurting me.
I'm not.
I'm
Get in the car.
I am so sick you can't imagine. I'm going to the
Get
hospital.
in the car.
I'm going to the hospital.
Now.
Can I see another sheriff?
10-4.
Oh my God.
Put your feet in.
He kept insisting he was having a medical emergency and needed immediate care, throwing a full-blown tantrum about going to the hospital. Minutes later, more officers arrived on the scene and asked him to step out of the car. That's when he introduced himself as Richard, the CEO of Medical Technologies Group. But honestly, who's going to tell him that nobody cares about his title? He's not above the law. Once again, he started threatening the officers, saying he was going to turn this into a huge lawsuit. He claimed he came to the convenience store to buy the medicine that helps him. Fortunately, the officers didn't buy his lies and calmly asked him to take a seat in the car.
Just stay in your car.
I
With
had to
the
get
AC.
medicine. I had to get.
They don't have medicine at Cumberland,
Of course
sir.
they do. They have Valerian.
Sit up.
I want to go to the hospital.
Sit up.
Shut up! I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. I can't sit up.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Step out.
Can I go to the hospital,
No,
please?
step out.
Why? I'm in pain, sir.
Move.
You don't understand.
Don't move.
I have nothing on me. I'm a CEO. I don't know why this whole thing happened. Check me out, Richard, CEO Medical Technologies Group. Why are you doing this to me? This never happens in Palm Beach County. Never. Never. I have no weapons. I have no nothing. I'm a sick man. I'm a sick man, sir. I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Can I speak to your chief? I want to go to the hospital. Ma'am, I want to go to the hospital. I'm sick. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. There's going to be a big lawsuit. There's going to be a huge lawsuit.
Listen, we'll get you.
I got to go to the hospital.
Okay, we'll get you.
I want to lock
attention.
my car up and go to the hospital. Please, sir.
You're under arrest, so.
But I did nothing wrong. I want to go to the hospital. I'm very sick.
Spread your legs.
Sir, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Well, I gotta pat you down, make sure you.
I have nothing. I'm the CEO.
Oh, that's good.
You know what? I think you're finished.
Thank you.
You too.
Thank you.
You two are finished.
Thank you.
You know why? Because I told her I was sick and she didn't listen, so I came in here to get medicine. There's medicine that helps me that they sell here.
What is it called?
It's called generic Tylenol. It's like very high dose Tylenol.
Okay, have a seat.
I can't, sir.
All right.
I want to go to the hospital, sir.
Have a seat, or I'm gonna put you in there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I
Have
go
a
to the
seat.
hospital, please?
Okay. If you need
Mr.
medical attention, we'll
Appler,
get you
Mr.
attention.
Appler, can
We'll
I
get you
go
the attention you
to?
need, but have a seat.
You want to know something?
Have a seat.
In this would never, sir. This would never happen in Palm Beach County ever, ever.
Well, this ain't
I want
Palm
to see a
Beach
chief of
County.
police.
Even on the way to the station, the man stayed belligerent, especially toward the female deputy. He cussed at her, threatening that if she didn't take him to the hospital, the entire police department would pay. He boldly declared she'd apologize to him and that he'd see her in court. He clearly thought his CEO status gave him power to sue anyone, but he couldn't even manage to stay in his own lane while driving.
What hospital are we going to, ma'am? What hospital are we going to, ma'am? You are You don't answer, you're a and you're a dyke. The way you manhandled me, I know who you are. You're a female and if I don't get to the hospital, you're going to be sued forever. For millions. And your department will be taken down.
Once they reached the station, he continued boasting about being a CEO and knowing all the sheriffs. It really makes you wonder how people like him even end up in those positions. But you will be surprised to know that he dissolved the company back in 2017 and his arrest happened in 2023. At that point, he wasn't the CEO of anything.
And you end up in the hospital, your blood sugar goes crazy and everything goes crazy. I almost died a month ago. Yes, ma'am. My name is Richard, CEO Medical Technologies Group. And I know Rick Bradshaw and I know all the sheriffs. This would have never happened in Palm Beach County, ever.
Well, thank you for
They would have given me a warning and they would have driven off. I guess you're stricter here if you pass someone. I take arrests personal. I take mean people personal. What happened since the pandemic? This whole world, they're killing people.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more crazy stories like these, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.